Welcome to Next Pivot Point. Are you looking to empower your team with impactful virtual workshops? Well, you're in the right place. Our virtual workshops are designed to meet your specific needs with over 40 diverse topics ranging from introductions to allyship to fostering psychological safety. We offer actionable learning experiences that drive real results. Our expert facilitators bring diverse perspectives to create engaging, impactful discussions. Whether you need a focused 1-hour session or a more in-depth 90-minute workshop, we've got you covered. And for ongoing development, consider our bank of sessions. This allows you to strategically deploy workshops across different teams and topics throughout the year. Imagine 2 sessions for company-wide development and 3 for your rising middle managers, all from one flexible package. Booking a workshop with us is seamless. We provide marketing materials like flyers and promotional videos, companion workbooks with thought-provoking activities, and dedicated project management to ensure a smooth experience. Workshops can be recorded for internal use, have an internal intranet or learning management system. Your workshop recording is yours to house there for people that missed us live. Our team also provides live chat moderation and resource sharing to enhance live engagement. And for multi-session programs, we provide actionable takeaways between sessions to keep that positive momentum going forward. Get real-time feedback with our interactive live polling through Poll Everywhere. This is an anonymous feature that allows for honest Q&A and provides you with a detailed report of all the responses after the workshop. And for a series of workshops with a dedicated cohort, we offer surveying and comprehensive impact reporting, showcasing your team's knowledge growth from our time together. The question is, what is that knowledge worth at your organization? Plus, our workshops are approved for SHRM recertification credit, the Society for Human Resource Management, providing valuable professional development credits for your HR team and other leaders. Ready to transform your team's development? Visit our website, explore our workshops, and book your session today. At Next Pivot Point, we're dedicated to helping you achieve your learning goals.